We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, this is Brittany over here at Onyx. Today we are going to show you how to print a supply status for an HP LaserJet Pro M201dw. So what you're going to do is right here on your pad you're going to go ahead and you're going to hit the OK button, and then you're going to use the right arrow, move it until you see reports, then you're going to hit OK again. And then you're going to hit the right arrow again until you see supply status. Alright, then you're going to hit OK. Once this page prints, it's going to show you your supply status of all your inks, the percentage, and then it's also going to show you useful information like how many pages you've printed with this machine. If you guys are in any need of supplies or a quote, give your girl Brett a call and you have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.